Here is a wonderful 2024 Nissan Pathfinder. Picture yourself at the wheel of this comfortable and capable Pathfinder. Solid, versatile, and smooth, it has all the features you need to make road trips, towing, and household projects a breeze. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, remote engine start, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, four-wheel drive, satellite radio. Take every project in stride with this versatile Pathfinder. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.